Bro, did you see? You see what these hurricanes are doing, bro?
We gotta do something about it.
Let's go.
I'm too young to remember Katrina. We came together when we needed it, young, but now we need it better than ever. The only way to feel calm is to forget the storm. If you feel the need to give up, don't do it. Just keep going. And if you need these words, just find that strength to look for others. Then it will help. Maria, Harvey, Irma, they all got one thing in common. They take our houses, they take our lives. Then at the end, they dipping out. Hey, yeah, hey, oh. After the storm, the people need help, so the charities come. Red Cross, Americares, and many more. They helping the people, they helping them reach that destiny. Now it's closer than ever before. Maria, Harvey, Irma, they got one thing in common. They taking houses, they taking lives. Then at the end, they dipping out. Now the people are better, the times are better, but no one will forget what the people had been through. The innocent people, the strong people will be prepared this time, ready for whatever's coming. Maria, Harvey, Irma, they got one thing in common. They taking houses, they taking lives. Then at the end, they dipping out. They taking houses, they taking lives. Then at the end, they dipping out. Hey, hey, hey. But if it weren't for the charities, the volunteers, and the heroes, no one would feel like they matter. Hey, hey. And to be honest, that's all the people need. That's it. To feel remembered. Take that, hurricanes.
Maria, Harvey, Irma, they all got one thing in common. They taking houses, they taking lives, and in the end, they dipping out.
Hurricanes are trash. They wiping out all the houses. People need the money to fix. Yeah. This is how we do it in Florida, Texas, all the other houses. Yeah, let's do it.
Hurricanes, ruin houses, ruin cars. Yeah. Hurricanes, taking lives, taking people. Value.